Hey, izinto azikhonhle bethunani phakathi kuka Amahle Biyela kunye noTirelo Kale abantu bakampumelelo Mseleku. Now sibonile kwizingane zesithembu season 4 kwi-preview le season uAmahle echaza ba uTirelo ukhuluma kakhulu, like she talks too much. Kucaca bikhona into ekhoyo phakathi kwabo. And then ke uAmahle usandoba live ku TikTok bethunani ethetha ke ngento angakhange ayithande ebeyenzeka ngevideo ethile, but ke nzayifaka nalo video nayo nibone le athetha ngayo, and then nive ke uAmahle uthini lento isibonisayo uba khona ingxaki ekhoyo phakathi kwakhe noTirelo. Phofu uAmahle ebe live kunye nentombi kaMpumelelo uFortunate le uTirelo athe kwishow ngowasePitoli bencokola, but ndizayenzela ivideo yayo yodwa leyo andiyachiseka nje lulwimi, so nibe on the lookout. Okwangoku masive uba uAmahle ukhala ngantoni.
Hello, uyabhora. Hayi lona nje uyisiboneni. Angandaba vele nabo nje vele. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi nje ayishini. Ngiyajwayelana kabi mina sometimes. Elona kahleki, sepane ngihleki into engahlekisi manje. Ngoba phela mangingavibe nje lapho so kuvibe khona kusho ukuthi like image yami labo bantu noma angazi kanjani. Akaze ngikho straight kodwa nje khona le video le uthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nje kule video la khona epostiwe. Khona video epostiwe. Ithi manje kodwa nje be promote show recently le video le. Hey, word of the day. Yeah, video word of the day. Angithole ngibukela ifoni yami.
Below, what's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? Lundana, what's the word of the day?
Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu nje futhi yazi ngoba ngiyazi ngoba sekuthiwa ngithe awukwazi kahle ukurekhord umuntu angikho right umpost vele abantu vele bazokhuluma into negative uyikhathile vele ngoba phela yini ngisho ukuthi awukwazi ukungiposta ngikho right awubona ukuthi angikho right kodwa unazifaka lapha.
Nibonile ke nani bethinani ba i-word of the day video ebiyenziwe nguTirelo ngoba nguyobuza abantu uba what's the word of the day, zine for 4 season 4, and then ke caba ikhona ivideo ebiyenziwe initially apho ke noAmahle ebefakiwe, and then nobuTirelo ke waphinda wayiqalela wamkhatha ke uAmahle, so hence ke chaza ba vele uyikhathile ngoba lokho like akwabengasukwazi umveza engekho right, mbona ba akekho right njengoba nibona ke ne-comments zabantu besitsho uba hey uyikhathile. Kuyachaza uba ewe kaloku uyikhathile because obviously uAmahle ebengayithandi, and then uAmahle ke uyatsho naye ba obviously abantu bazawubhala into ezinegative ngaye because ikhona nenye nenziwe before, and then andanoyisithi makathi hey banyana baka esitsho kubo bonke, then watsho ke nakuAmahle watsho kuAmahle ba hey banyana baka, and then people were negative ba oh Amahle wasoloku udikiwe and stuff like that. So I think it bothers uAmahle lonto leyo ba abantu besithi ngolhlobo angalo, uyaqonda nje basede atsho ke nakule video ba abantu bathi uSlow wazidefenda ke phakla live wathi ayibonjani sana kuthiwe mna ndislow okanye ndisislow lena ngexesha ne-degree yase-UKZN not nasikwi-degree yakwi-college yasesicithini apho zoya namhlanje xa buya next month ayisekho lo college, so islow lena esinjani esisine-degree. But anyways yeah ke kuyacaca uba ikhona ingxaki between uTirelo kunye noAmahle. Khanikeni kuba nicinga ntoni ngayo yonke le nto, Mamgobhozi. Uyanibona kwivideo elandelayo. Bye.